Hello everyone, I'm Dobith from Machine Learning Cohort. I joined Bangkit because of my interest in AI. In Bangkit, we learn about soft skill and hard skill. Let me share my journey in nutshell. At Bangkit, we hone our soft skills, including communication, teamwork, leadership. We also dive deep into hard skills in AI and machine learning through hand-on projects. We implement AI solutions and gain practical experience. And then networking was crucial in Bangkit. We connected with a fellow AI enthusiast and hedge idea, built distinct friendship. The program also exposed us to industry leadership. We share insight and inspire us to push boundaries. Bangkit fostered a strong sense of community. We collaborate milestone together, supporting and motivating each other through the journey. Ready to embark in a career learning journey? Apply for Bangkit 2023 batch 2 at go.com/Bangkit. Trust me, opportunities you don't want to miss. Thank you all for joining me this amazing adventure. Share your life at Bangkit experience. Until next time, keep pursuing your passion for all. Thanks.